What we do is we give machines the ability to think. We give machines the ability to act on their own, to be automatic. If we can put vision on a machine, it can see. If we give sensors to a machine, they can hear. And then we take all of that information, put it together. If you look around the world, anything that moves, that's where you're going to find fluid power at work. An auto mechanic using the technology to lift the car off the ground. It could be the landing gear that's safely allowing planes to land. Robotic welders to assembly machines to packaging machines like we work with.
There's a huge future in it, if there's a future in the United States, because that's the way the United States is going to compete in manufacturing, is through automation, and that's what we do.
It's a great program.
We get to experience quite a bit of everything, you know.
I took classes in pneumatics, I took classes in hydraulics, I took classes in motion control, PLC training, machining, machine programming, which gives you many opportunities once you get out of the course. It has been very fulfilling.
I had an interest in robotics and decided I wanted to pursue that interest, and I looked around the state of Minnesota and I found that that was the college that had the latest and greatest technology.
I discovered the program, what it had to offer, the wide variety of things that you can do with hydraulics, pneumatics to automation. Decided this is what I wanted to do.
I did want to change my career. It's slightly intimidating to come back to school, but it was a very smooth transition.
This looked like it was the best opportunity for a good job and good advancement.
I like hydraulics, you know, they're interesting, you know, it's amazing at what they can, you know, do, I guess.
I chose the technical college because of the fact that it's much less time and the cost of it is significantly less.
I looked at some four-year colleges and it seemed like 4 years was a long time to wait before I could get a job. At the technical college, it only took me 2 years to complete my degree.
It's been very enjoyable. I thought it was kind of overwhelming at first, but the way they run the program, building on everything that you've learned, just makes it easier. And
it's fun, it's interesting, you learn something new every day.
The classes keep me challenged. Overall, the atmosphere is just great.
It's a great program. You're learning the basics of different subjects. They keep it tied together and they don't leave anybody behind.
We all get along, we all learn from each other, we all share ideas. We're here to get each other through. I was selected to compete as part of World Skills 2005 Team USA, Mechatronics. From there, we're going to Helsinki, Finland to compete against 25 other countries. It's a team event. I mean, we have to learn from each other, and we have to learn to trust each other as well. I think it's going to be a real good experience.
Teachers were phenomenal.
They all have good backgrounds as far as hydraulic, pneumatic. I mean, they definitely know what they're talking about.
As far as understanding the material, the instructors, I think, have a really good grasp on that, and they are able to express that to the students.
If it wasn't for a few teachers in mind, you know, I don't think I'd be where I'm at right now.
Students like to have to do one of three things. They either like to have to break stuff, fix stuff, or design stuff.
Well, what we have here is an automated putting green. The layout of the green is going to change. These cylinders are going to push up. A little bit tougher for each combination, a little bit of a different challenge each time. So
I'm working on a vision system right now for my future employer.
There's a big future in it, and there's not a lot of schools that train in it.
The field's always changing and there'd always be a job for me.
It's definitely been worth it. I found a job already. The whole time I was up here, they've been preparing me for the job.
I've actually accepted a position with which I'm very excited about.
Now it's been a fast 2 years, and I'm glad I went through this program.
There's a job out there, there's a career out there for everybody.
The job I have now is great. I'm doing more things than I ever thought I would. I'm working with a lot of vendors and a lot of customers selling their products.
Well, the job opportunity is huge. I mean, you could be a technician like I am. You go out there and be in sales. You can go out and be in maintenance. There's all kinds of different applications. You know, this is the field to be in.
I would definitely recommend the tech college to anybody looking to further their education or start in a new career.
I really enjoyed going to school there. I felt that the education I got was very valuable, and I would suggest the school to anyone who's considering a 2-year technical degree.
Center for Automation and Motion Control, learning at the speed of technology.